आयच्यान 12वीची एग्जाम आहा ती सुरवात जालेली आसा आनी ही एग्जाम आहा ती 10 फेब्रुवारी ते 1 मार्च पर्यंत एग्जाम चलतली आनी ह्या एग्जामीक जे भुरगे बसले ते आहा ते 17,718 भुरगे बसले आसा. गेल्या वर्साच्या तुलने प्रमाणे ह्या वर्सा 207 भुरगे एक्स्ट्रा आसा. तातूंत जर चल्यांची संख्या पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार 8,477 चले बसले आसा आनी चलयो आसा त्यांची संख्या जास्त जाल्ली आसा. 9,241 चलयो बसले आसा.
One more arrangement which government have done, I want to praise. In each higher secondary, they have deputed councillor. Through GEDC, under the chairmanship of Mr. Govind Parvatkar, he made a point to depute in each and every higher secondary councillor. And it's a need of an hour where if the child experiences any panic state, they can resort to this particular remedy. So it's very kind of from the government side for deputing this councillor. We have made all the arrangement for the student, and most of the students are coming from this urban areas as well as from the village side.
My name is Priyamesh Sahasrabuddhe. I am from People's High Secondary School, and today was the first paper, which was English, and the paper was really good, and like the whole, we have been in 10th, so we have done all of this earlier, so it was like we doing it all over again.
And my paper was English today. It was amazing. It was really easy, and the papers, they have given us enough time to prepare for the other papers as well, so it's really convenient for us.
Appointed as observer at Harman Center. In this center we have a total of 528 students. We have two sub-centers. One is the higher secondary school here, and another is the Ganpat Parseka College of Education. All the norms given by the Goa Board are strictly followed at this center. Here the students of science, arts, commerce and vocational stream are appearing for the exam.
At Amaya Higher Secondary School, this is the Ponda main center. We have 1,108 candidates appearing at the center. It's a major center in South Goa, wherein we have 6 sub-centers. One is at Fatima High Secondary School, then we have Kaure at SS Samiti, then we have Swami Vivekananda Bori and Government High School Sadar. And this is the main center at Amaya High Secondary School. The exam is smoothly started. We have absolutely no issues. The students are very comfortable, and as PM Modi ji said, they are enjoying the exams and they are writing it without any fear and favor.